Let's listen to a friendly street conversation between a tourist and a local.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Sure. What are you looking for?
I'm looking for a coffee shop nearby.
There's one just around the corner. Walk straight for 2 minutes, then turn left at the traffic light. It's called Bean and Brew.
Is it far?
No, it's very close. Just a 5-minute walk.
Great. And is there a nice place to visit around here?
Yes, the city museum is popular. From the coffee shop, walk 2 blocks, then turn right. You'll see it on your left.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your day. Let's learn about vocabulary and phrases.
Let's go over some useful phrases from today's conversation. Excuse me, can you help me? Polite way to ask for help. I'm looking for, when you're searching for something. Walk straight, go forward. Turn left, turn right. Change direction. Traffic light, the red and green light at intersections. How far is it? Ask about the distance. It's on your left or right. Location guidance.
That's it for today's episode. Try using these phrases when you travel or explore your city. Practice with a friend or repeat after us. And remember, asking for help is always okay.